Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. It is about 7:15 in the evening. We're having monsoon storms. The wind's blowing like crazy. We got those sunsets over there. This is what happens every night around this time. Man, the wind is blowing like crazy. Look at them clouds. Jerry's barking like crazy because I'm outside. Look how dark it is. Whew, kind of scary. Really windy. It has been thundering so loud and lightning like crazy. Oh, I felt a couple sprinkles there. Tucson is that way. Tucson's getting hammered with monsoon rain right now. Clouds look so cool. I haven't done a night video in a long time. Beautiful Arizona sunsets. Meanwhile, there's a lightning storm going on right behind me. See the rain falling over there? I apologize for the wind noise, but there's nothing I can do about it. It is windy. It's all part of the experience. This thing was it was just lightening up like crazy, and I said, "Come on, I'm gonna get my camera, go out there and film some of this." And then now it's like, it's not doing too much. There we go. Woo! Now, that's probably about 10-12 miles that way, the storm. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. The monument is probably that way, about 10 miles. You know that's getting hammered with lightning and rain. Doesn't feel like it's 90 degrees outside though, with 35% humidity right now. See like I said, it's 7:15 at night. These are what the monsoon storms look like here in Arizona. Usually it's raining. We hardly ever get rain here in my house. It was sprinkling earlier, about an hour and a half ago. Like I said, this is what it looks like on the other side. This is facing northwest. Oh, the wind is about to blow me over. Sunsets. Some crazy night. Whoa, that wind's blowing me over. I gotta watch where I'm walking because it's pretty dark out here. This camera records on low light, and I gotta watch where I'm walking because there's a lot of ants out right now too. Like I was standing right over here, and there's a huge ant over here. And I started getting bit early. Right there they are. Barely see them. I got bit on my foot. I was like, oh, what is that? Oh man, it's like an ant pile. Listen to that wind. Lightning is scary. This is no editing. This is all just live footage. Got a tiny house. I should go walk over here closer to the tiny house. The sun's yelling for me. Look at that lightning. Crazy. It looks like it's coming closer to us this way. Awesome. That was a good lightning. It was a lot louder about 20 minutes ago. The thunder was like rolling, like whoo. Just you could hear it, whoa, rolling across the sky. and the lightning was a lot louder too. The lightning strikes, you could hear it cracking. Seems like most of the lightning is going that way. Arizona monsoon storms. That looks awesome. Woo. My son, yeah! My son's calling me. Alright, I thought ooh, this one was like close here. I think it is coming this way because the wind is blowing my ironwood tree. I think I'm going to call this video. Just wanted to show a quick clip of the, whoa, the monsoon storms in Arizona. They're no joke, man. They usually happen around this night, every night. And like I said, we very rarely get these out here by my house. We'll get it, you know, sprinkling here and there, but anyways, if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. It don't cost anything, it's free. And like always, be kind to people. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Treat it with kindness. And if the Lord willing, the creeks don't rise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. I'm gone.